What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to install maps onto your Garry's Mod server. Alright, so this was suggested by like a dolphin symbol dude. Man, I wish I remember his name, but I don't. And so we're going to be adding maps to our Garry's Mod server. Any map you want is that's located on the Steam Workshop. Alright, so if it's not on the Steam Workshop and say you found a already download, an alternate download, so say if you found something like I don't know, let me see if I can find it, like these games, like different websites is not from the Steam Workshop, so like I don't know, you decide to download this map, and when you download it, which I'm not because I don't trust this website, sorry to tell you all that, but actually I'm gonna download it for tutorial purposes to feel like me. But when you download it, or if you download a map from somewhere else, so I got this right here, and if I open the RAW, I'll have the map right here, and make sure at the end make sure it says BSP file, and if you have one of these, all you have to do is bring it to your desktop, then copy it from there. So you bring it to your desktop, drag it there, and then you copy it, and then you go to your Garry's Mod server, and you go to C drive, and you go where your Garry's Mod server is at. And so once you get there, go to Garry's Mod, and go to maps, and you'll just paste it here, and you'll have a map. But if you're looking at one from off the Steam Workshop, well, today's your lucky day because you can get any map you want. Really simple. So if you have your map on, so this is the map I want. So I will go to my desktop and I would create a new folder. I'm just gonna name it test, and you just create it on your desktop, and we're gonna go to the link below, and it'll take you here. It's Gmad, so that'll be the link, and you're just gonna click download, and when it downloads, it should be named the exact hang on, let me find it. Here we go. And it should look like when you open it, you should get something like this. And then you get something like this, which you should name this folder Gmod, and you'll just drag it into that folder, and you would just, now you have it all installed, so good. And now, for where the map's gonna go, we're gonna create a new folder, and it's gonna be map. I'm just gonna name it, you name it, whatever. And now, once you have Gmad extractor put on your desktop, make sure Garry's Mod's open when you're doing this, and make sure you signed in on Steam. And you're just gonna go down and you're gonna subscribe to it. You have to. And I'll tell you when. And once it's successfully loaded in the map, we'll install it onto your Garry's Mod add-ons. We're just gonna start new name, and if we look to find it, so I'm trying to find it. Here it is, and here's mine. So that means we have installed the map onto Garry's Mod. Now, once you've done that, just name it as Garry's Mod, and we are going to open Garry's Gmad extractor.exe, not the DLLs, exe. and a black box, and it's gonna delete System 32. Just kidding. Dell System 32. Just kidding. So now what it'll bring you to this, just click open and click browse, and look at this. See if your Garry's Mod server or where your Steam files. So like if you're 32-bit, you go to program files, and if you're 64-bit like me, you go to x86. And to figure that out, we'll just go right here and we'll right click on this and system, click system, and it'll say system type, and mine's 64-bit, so this means we go to program files to 86 and we'll look for Steam, and then Steam apps, and then common, Garry's Mod, then Garry's Mod, and we'll just go to add-ons. And so mine was named Hex, started with Hex, so you're just gonna look for the name of it. It's the same name, it's just got different stuff in it. So mine was named Hex. Okay, so here goes mine, and it's gonna be a .gma. So all we're gonna do is gonna click open. We're gonna select it, click open. Then we're gonna select this again, and we're gonna click select. And it'll say it has maps, and the thing we named earlier named map. We're gonna click extract all, and go to desktop, and mine's named map, and select photo, and it will do it. And now we'll just open up map and go to maps, and you'll see a .png and a .bsp. All maps that we have to be a .bsp file. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna copy the .bsp file. So let's load up. We're just gonna copy it, and we're going to go to our Garry's Mod server files, and we're going to go into Garry's Mod, we're going to go into maps, and we're going to click it here and click paste. And now you've successfully installed. So now how do I make it that map? Well, this is where it gets a little complicated. Alright, so go back and look for your startserver.bat or whatever you click that starts your server, and this is mine. So we're just going to edit it, and it should be a code like this, and we're going to look for plus map, and it's going to say gm_flatgrass. That's the default. And so we're going to minimize that, and we're going to go back to our map, so mine is Hex, and we're going to click rename, and we're just going to copy the text, and we're going to go back in here, we're going to do plus map, and we're going to change this, and we're going to paste it in. So boom, and you just click save. So now we open the thing that you open that starts your server, and it will start all this stuff, and we'll say all this stuff. So I'll be back when its server's loaded. And to know if your server's ever done loading, look for when it says back secure mode is activated. And we're just going to minimize these, obviously. And now we go and find a multiplayer game. And so I'm going to see, mine's in the sandbox. Because that's my server I did most of my tutorials on. So sandbox, and my server is named Site. CY. I'm pretty sure I had it put forwarded. CY. Yep. So as you can see, it always says the map name is Hex_cigarette. So I'll be back once I have connected to my server, and just to prove I'm connected to my server. Okay, well, it's also complicated with the Steam. Alright, so mine's not put forwarded, lol. So if you haven't ordered your server, so I can't get into mine right now. I do not know why. But it's not letting me get into Cyborgs. Because I haven't put forwarded it yet. Dagnabbit. Shoot. But it should be in my local network. Well, I'll be back when I fix this. Alright, so I got into my server, as you can see. I'll be back when I'm fully connected. Alright, well, my server doesn't seem to be loading up, so I don't know what's happening, and I can't keep restarting it. But as you can see, it's Hexaziggurat. If we go into my server console, if we look for it, we'll say it. It's just all about the map. I think. I want to give you all proof that I have this new map. But using that, all you'll need to know is that I do have a map. Alright, so that's how you get a map. If you don't believe it, just go out and do it yourself, because it's going to be up there. Alright? So, like, comment, subscribe, and see you later. Peace.